Well, this beautiful space behind me is a high-tech pitching laboratory that allows players to enhance their throwing potential by capturing and analyzing biomechanical data. It's a very powerful tool to improve throwing potential, but it's also very important to us and the medical staff because it can also serve as a very important tool for identifying potential risk of injury. By analyzing that kinetic sequence, we can sometimes see deficits that may put abnormal force on the shoulder or the elbow. And if we can identify those deficits, then we can take corrective actions to try and reduce that risk of injury. At MedStar, we're very excited about the partnership we've had with the Orioles that has been long-standing, and this is just a perfect example of that partnership and being able to bring that highest level of care and quality of treatment that we use with the Orioles to our community and to our patients.
Since we arrived in 2019, this is filling in a gap that we had as far as being able to quantify how well pitchers move and how well they are using their bodies to throw a baseball. As far as the value, it's good for initial assessment. It's also really effective at follow-up assessments when we're working to make improvements with minor league guys or during the season with minor league or major league pitchers. The benefit of what we have here now is not only do we have the lab, but we also have our own coordinators, our own player development specialists who are capturing the data, interpreting the data, and it's another piece of our system that gives us a holistic approach with the players. So now you not only have a motion capture with data, you have the physical assessments that are done by strength conditioning, you have our med staff information, you have our pitching coaches and our other development staff who have contributed to a player plan, and now you add in the ability to have concrete, objective data on how a player moves and where they can improve. And it's a really nice option to have that as a piece of the holistic approach that we take.
Once it's put in front of you on a screen, and you can, there's a lot of different ways to get information, and this is just another avenue to receive some information that you may or may have not heard. And then that allows the guys to be more efficient delivery-wise, and when you're more efficient delivery-wise, you're going to be able to stay on the field much longer.
I think that it really helps with getting the younger guys into a lab so we can dissect them. The minor league coaches can dissect them, figure out what they're doing. It's an easier transition into the major leagues when your delivery's right, when we don't have to do a ton of stuff once they get here. And then for our guys here is keeping them healthy, which is a systematic way of strength and conditioning and training and using the pitching lab to do stuff like that.
As the official medical provider for the team, we're thrilled to lend our medical expertise to give the team an edge in player development. To be able to bring a facility like this to the Bel Air Medical Campus is a very unique opportunity for the community here. And it's a perfect example how this partnership can filter down to our patients in the community and really allow MedStar Health to provide the same level of care that we would for our professional teams like the Orioles and the Ravens to our patients here in the community.